Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by combining the dairy and sweetener because structure forms early. Heat 500 ml milk and 250 ml cream to about 70 degrees C to dissolve sugar and pasteurize. Once warm, sprinkle 2g xanthan gum while whisking to prevent clumps. Add 15g sugar for sweetness and your flavor, vanilla or fruit puree, so oils disperse. Make sure the gum fully hydrates. This creates the stabilizing network that improves texture and prevents ice crystals as you proceed. Once the base is combined, gently simmer for a few minutes to activate proteins and thicken slightly. Do not boil, which degrades flavor. Transfer to an ice bath and cool the mix to 4 degrees C within 20-30 minutes. Rapid cooling preserves emulsion and prevents bacterial growth. Make sure to cover and age in the refrigerator for 2-4 hours or overnight so the xanthan gum fully hydrates and the flavors marry. This aging step yields smoother churned ice cream and better mouthfeel. You now churn the cold, aged base in your ice cream maker until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Follow the machine's run time, but stop when it's thick yet still scoopable. Transfer to an airtight container and harden in the freezer for 3-6 hours at around -18 degrees C to set fully. If you encounter graininess or stiffness later, reblend briefly with 1 to 2 tablespoons of cold milk or a splash of alcohol to loosen crystals. This restores creaminess without adding more xanthan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.